Hey there, garden lovers. Today, I'm diving into the wonderful world of hydrangeas and their perfect planting companions. Whether your hydrangeas bask in the sun or thrive in the shade, I've got you covered with some stunning combinations that'll make your garden shine. For those sun-loving hydrangeas, consider planting allium with its showy globe-shaped blooms, a real head-turner. Bachelor buttons add that classic cottage garden feel and attract pollinators, plus they'll keep blooming if you deadhead them regularly. Boxwood shrubs are a fantastic evergreen choice, providing structure and visual interest all year round. Throw in some coneflowers like raspberry truffle or powwow for their daisy-like blooms and pollinator appeal. Don't forget coral bells for their colourful foliage and butterfly love. Perennial geraniums make an excellent ground cover, complementing your hydrangeas' colours and textures beautifully. And last but not least, spirea shrubs like blue kazoo can offer a bit of sun protection and a dash of flair. Now, for those of you with shady spots, a stilby is a must-have with its plumed blooms. Ferns, like lady fern and Christmas fern, add greenery and are perfect for off-season interest. Geum blooms early and keeps going through summer, a great ground cover option. Hostas offer bold foliage, but beware of deer. Phlox fits into any English garden setup with its various heights. And Speedwell, or Veronica, brings spiky flowers in all sorts of colours. So remember, matching the needs of each plant is key. Think about sunlight, watering and soil. Experiment with these combos and find what works best in your garden. Happy planting? If you enjoyed this video, please help us to grow this channel by liking, sharing and subscribing.